When I think about growing up in New England, there is one quintessential comfort food dish that I almost never make at home. That changes today. I'm Jim with Doesn't Pay Full Price, a channel where I break down how much it costs to make amazing food at home. Don't forget, all the cost breakdowns and recipes are in the video description, so check those out. And I have a special guest today. He flew in just from Boston, and I'm gonna let him introduce today's dish. What's going on, kid? Today we are making a dish that would make any New Englander proud. Mark Wahlberg, John Krasinski, Ben Affleck, Conan O'Brien. What about Tom Brady? I told you we don't talk about Tom Brady anymore. He's not even from Massachusetts. We're making New England clam chowder. So put down your clicker, finish your Dunkins, and let's start cooking. Sorry about him. All right, I'm starving, so let's go ahead and start making some chowder. Go ahead and get yourself a big pot. And then chop up, I got 2 strips of bacon here. Chop them up into nice big chunks. I got local bacon. I got this from Gloucester. Maybe it was from Marblehead, Saugus, I'm not sure. It was right by the Dunkins there, but get good local bacon. You could also use salt pork. But throw that in there. You want to render out all that fat, and then get that over medium heat. Let the bacon render a little bit until it gets nice and crispy, and then go ahead and remove that from the pot. Saving the oil, that's what we're going to saute half an onion and 2 cloves of garlic in, along with the bottoms of 3 green onions. Saute that up until translucent, and then we're going to add 5 Yukon Gold potatoes, a full tablespoon of butter, and then a tablespoon of flour, and stir that to coat. That's going to help the soup really come together and thicken. Next up, add half the bacon back in. 2 cups of stock. You could use chicken stock, seafood stock, clam juice, any of that. I'm adding chicken stock. Let that simmer until the potatoes are fork tender. While this is simmering, we're gonna add 2 to 3 bay leaves and about a teaspoon of dried thyme. All right, guys, so once all the potatoes in there are fork tender, we're gonna add our clams. You could use fresh clams, but we're in Colorado right now, and finding fresh clams out here is like finding a Yankees fan that's not a complete asshole. Again, my apologies for him. We're gonna use canned chopped clams. It's going in soup, it's not that big of a deal. 1 can, juice and everything, goes in. Along with 3/4 of a cup of half and half. Make sure you give it a taste and add salt and pepper. All that's left, turn it on low for 5 more minutes and just let it simmer. Now you could put it right into a bowl, but if you really want to be from New England, get rid of the bowl, get yourself a nice mini sourdough, and we're gonna make a sourdough bread bowl. A bread bowl is the perfect rainy, snowy New England comfort food vessel. So just go ahead and cut a big circle out of the top so it resembles, well, a bowl. And then scoop all the inside bread out so you have a perfect bread to soup ratio. Next, just ladle in all that soup. Don't forget to spill some on the side so it looks really good in pictures. Finish it off with green onions and some of that leftover bacon. But how does it taste? Can I try some? I don't know if you can handle this. Maybe you should go get some pork green chili or whatever they serve out here. Oh. Well, like, give them flavor profiles. What's it taste like? What's it remind you of? Stuff like that. It's wicked good. Okay. It's wicked good. You should make it. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.